When you want to add cities to this system, first you need to go to the demarcation of this menu bar. In demarcation, you can see there is a menu called city. It will load all the cities in this system. In this city list, you can find the name of the city first. In the bottom of there, you can see the code of that city. And the next column, the optional column is there. That postal code is optional, so there will be or won't be any. Another column is state. Mostly the state will be the general state of that country, but we can say that we can get the district also, and this is the country of the city. And lastly, there is a default warehouse for that city. There can be multiple warehouses for a particular city, so to identify the default warehouse, you have to put the default warehouse here, and you can manage city in the action drop down. That means you can update the city details, the city name, the postal code, the state, country, and default warehouse. Here you can change the default warehouse to a branch or to a agency. If you select the branch, you can select the branch from each list. If you select the agent, you can select the agent from this list. When it comes to action buttons, you can add a new city from this form. The city name, postal code, state or the district, country, and the default warehouse. So when you are adding a new city, you can put the default warehouse as well. If you want to assign the default warehouse bulkly, you can select all these cities from this button, right, like this button, and you can assign a default warehouse like here. If you want to download the city list, you can use this button to download. It will download the Excel format with the selected list of cities to this Excel sheet. This is the refresh button. So if there is any change of the system, you can refresh this screen to load the new data. And there is a separate screen to filter out the data. First you have a search box to search the city by name, and you can search by reference number, or you can use the postal code to search that city, or you can filter it out by the default warehouse. While you are selecting the default warehouse, all the cities will be filtered out to that selected default warehouse. These cities will be used to create zones, and there will be cities for each branches, each agents as well. So when you are creating rate cards, these cities can be used to put the rates for each city.